你好, this is Li Tao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao. I'm your Chinese teacher. Welcome to the first level of our Chinese character course, Lesson 6. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the third compound stroke, begins with héng and 7 new characters. Well, let's get started. This compound stroke is héngzhé, héngzhé. It begins with the basic stroke héng, then goes down with almost a 90-degree turn, which is called zhé. Zhé never occurs alone, but must be paired with at least one other stroke to form a compound stroke. Zhé indicates change in stroke direction, usually with a 90-degree turn, going down or going right. You will see this zhé in compound strokes a lot. Well, let's look at some characters which have this héngzhé. This character is zhong. Notice that the rectangular part in this character is not exactly the same as the character kou we have just learned. The character kou looks more like a square. This rectangular part here represents an area, and the vertical stroke shu passes through the center of this rectangular area to indicate the meaning of center or middle. So the character zhong means center or middle. Let's look at 3 examples with the character zhong. Ancient Chinese people believe that China is in the center of the world. So in Chinese, China is 中国, 中国, center country, China, 中国. In addition to saying 汉语 for Chinese language, we can also say 中文, 中文. Here, 中 is from 中国, 中文, Chinese language. The third word, 中午, we saw it in lesson 2, which means noon or midday. 中午. Here is the correct stroke order of 中. Write the rectangular part first. 树, 横折, 横. Then the long vertical stroke 树 goes across it. 4 strokes in total. One more time. 树, 横折, 横, 树, 中, center or middle. This character is wu. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit litaochinese.com for the full version of this video lecture and the complete learning package.